Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming. I appreciate your stay here today. So guys, in today's video, we'll be making a review of this American popcorn maker. So stay tuned and let's just get into the video. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's just dive into the video. Here is the popcorn machine and let's unbox it now. I've already gone ahead to take it out from the Amazon uh package. Yeah, it came in a brown carton with the Amazon design name. Hopefully, see how the inside is, and yeah, and it came with a manual. I have to keep this outside. So here I'm just reading out the features of the popcorn maker. I don't know how I lost the grip of the voice, and but here I'm just reading it. It has a healthier cooking alternative, no oil or butter required to make popcorn in this machine, and it says it's easy to use and one tough operation, ready to go at push of a switch, and it has 1200 watts, and that's the power output. And it says it has 3 to 5 minutes cooking time, and the recipe ideas is included as well in the manual. So, and it's non-slippery. The base of the popcorn maker is non-slippery, and it has a removable popping cute. So it's easy to clean and all that. That was what I was reading there, and so that's this is the manual. Uh, Product safety, electrical safety features. Okay, this is the measuring cup, which is this one. This is the lid. Yeah, and this is the popping chamber. That's where the popcorn pops out from. So I need to attach this to this. So I just go ahead to attach it and know if I'm getting it right. Oh, yeah, that's it. This is the popping chamber, and it's like this. And it says this is the main body, on and off, on and off. Okay, this is the switch. Yeah, it's very simple. It looks so simple, and it's more of very compactable. It doesn't require, like, if you have a small space like me, yeah, I think this is perfect. This is very perfect. My corn here. So let's first try first, but let's just do the normal one. Mommy, look at the shower now. Okay. So I'll just take the measuring cup. I'll measure. So here we'll put that. Oh my god. So we need to put this here. Let's pop the can. It says 3 to 5 minutes. Put up there, you want to see? Come on, see. You see, get off it. I don't. Do you want to see? Yeah, but she can't see. Woo. I don't want you. Yay! Oh my god! Guys, look, look, look. Oh my god. He popped all the corn. Nothing. Nothing is inside. He popped everything. Hey, wait, I'm coming, baby. He popped everything. Oh my god. So now we need to add some sugar. Because I know my kids are not gonna eat this just like that. Even though some of them are eating it. So but we need to add a little bit of sugar. You don't necessarily to add you don't necessarily need to add sugar. But we need it sweet. We want it to be sweet. So add a little bit of butter. So I'll just add the butter. See? Okay. You get that? You like it? Look at it. Look at sugar. Where's the corn? Chicken potato, come out from there. Mama, what is this sugar? So here. This is sugar. This is so good. It's so good. It pops everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.